Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about how people like us make custom bags and what is behind the magic of the one-of-a-kind bags that you see all over social media. Have you ever seen a bag that you really loved, but when you searched for it, it just didn't exist? Maybe it was a phrase or quote that you wanted on your bag, a pattern or design that you couldn't find anywhere, or a photo of something you really loved. Well, today's consumers are fortunate because there are so many options for making their very own unique bag to express themselves. I am always blown away at how creative people are getting when it comes to designing their own bags. And if you're someone who loves to customize things, then this video is for you. We will be discussing 3 ways that people are personalizing their bags, hand lettering and printed designs, AI-generated patterns, and the future of personalization. So let's get started. I love how people are adding their own style to store-bought bags. It's such a fun way to reuse everyday items and transform them into something unique. Take this tote bag for example. The plain Jane shopper tote is so popular right now, and you probably have one in your closet already, but by simply adding some accessories like a charm or embroidery, you can change the look entirely. Hand lettering is also becoming more popular as a way to add a personal touch to bags. People are using stencils, stickers, stamps, and even their own handwriting to decorate their bags. If you don't consider yourself a great artist, no worries, there are plenty of other options for customizing your bags without having to draw anything yourself. For example, iron-on patches are a great way to add some flair to your bag. You can find them in almost any design or image imaginable, from cute animals to funny sayings to band logos. Just iron them on and you're done. There are also pre-made designs that you can purchase online and transfer onto your bag using a heat press. This gives you a lot more flexibility when it comes to the types of designs you can create and allows you to be really specific with your message. Whether you want something inspirational, motivational, or just plain silly, there is a design out there for everyone. If you're looking for something truly unique, you can even commission an artist to create a custom design for you. Not only is this a great way to support small businesses, but you'll end up with a one-of-a-kind piece that no one else will have. When it comes to choosing what to put on your bag, the possibilities are really endless. Another option for customizing your bag is to use a printed design. This could be a photo, a pattern, a logo, or anything else that you can think of. There are a few different ways to go about doing this. You could print the design yourself and then iron it onto the bag. You could hire a local printer to do it for you, or you could even find someone who does custom prints on bags. Printed designs are a great way to add a personal touch to your bag while still having a polished look. If you're not artistic, it's a great option for you. All you need to do is find a design that you like and then work with a professional to get it printed on your bag. It's also a very versatile option because you can print pretty much anything that you want. If you have a favorite quote, song lyric, or even inside joke, you can get it printed on your bag so that everyone around you can see it. Or maybe you have a favorite photo of a place, person, or pet that you want to show off. A printed design can be a great way to do that. Plus, it's a great conversation starter. Imagine the number of compliments that you will receive every time you take your bag out in public. You will be able to tell people exactly where they can find the same bag and even share your design files so they can order their own. It's a win-win situation. So if you're looking for a fun and easy way to customize your bag, consider using a printed design. With a little creativity, you can come up with something that is truly unique and reflects your personality. Now let's move on to the next trend, AI-generated patterns. Thanks to advancements in technology, another way people are personalizing their bags is by creating their own unique patterns. With the help of artificial intelligence, anyone can generate a one-of-a-kind design that they can then print on their bag. AI pattern generators are a relatively new development in the world of DIY bag making, but they have quickly become one of the most popular tools for customizing bags. These tools allow users to enter in keywords that will then generate a unique pattern based on those keywords. For example, if you enter in the keyword floral, the AI will generate a floral pattern for you to use on your bag. Or if you enter in the keyword geometric, the AI will generate a geometric pattern. There are endless possibilities with AI pattern generators, and users are getting really creative with the keywords that they are using to generate patterns. Some popular options include nature-inspired keywords such as leaves or mountains, abstract keywords like splatter or zigzag, and even pop culture references like Game of Thrones or Star Wars. Once the user has generated their pattern, they can then save it as an image file and use it however they want. Many people are using these files to print their own bags, while others are using them as a base for other customization projects. There are a number of different AI pattern generator tools available, both free and paid. One popular option is a website that offers users a limited number of free patterns each month, as well as the ability to upgrade to a premium plan for unlimited access. Another option is an app that is available on both iOS and Android and offers a wide range of customization options. No matter which tool you use, AI pattern generators are a fun and easy way to create unique designs for your DIY bag projects, so why not give it a try? You never know what kind of masterpiece you might come up with. Lastly, let's discuss the future of personalization. The trends that we have seen so far are just the beginning of what is to come. As technology continues to evolve, new and innovative ways to personalize our belongings will emerge. One thing that we are already seeing is the rise of customizable templates. This allows people to easily create their own designs without having to start from scratch. There are a number of websites that offer customizable templates for everything from phone cases to tote bags. These templates are often very user-friendly and allow people to upload their own images, text, or patterns to create a truly unique item. Another trend that we are seeing is the rise of DIY bag subscription boxes. These boxes typically include everything that you need to customize a bag, including the bag itself, paints, stencils, patches, and more. They are a great option for people who are new to DIY bag customization or who don't have the time or supplies to get started on their own. Some popular bag subscription boxes include a company that offers monthly themed bag customization boxes and another company that offers quarterly boxes with a variety of customization options. Overall, the future of personalization is bright. As technology continues to evolve, we will see even more innovative ways to customize our belongings. This is a great thing for consumers like you because it means that you will be able to express yourself in new and creative ways. So don't be afraid to experiment and have fun with your next DIY bag project. Who knows, you might just create the next big trend. Well, that's it for this video. Let us know what you think of the trends that we discussed today and what you would like to see in the future. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more DIY content. Thanks for watching.